Hello and welcome. We're finally back with another cake decorating video. It's been some time, but today I'm making this Reese's peanut butter cup cake with peanut butter frosting and a whole bunch of Reese's Pieces. It's honestly quite easy. Definitely don't need to be a professional baker, and because you're covering the sides a lot, you don't even have to be that great at smoothing the icing. So keep watching, I will show you how I made this. Okay, so the other day I made a 3-layer 8-inch chocolate cake, and then once it was cooled, I wrapped them individually and froze them. So I have those here, I just took them out. I made sure they were nice and flat before I froze them, and then just wrapped them in 2 layers so that they didn't get freezer burnt or anything. These actually can stay good for a little bit, but it was only for 2 days. So I have those ready, and then I've also put all of the chocolate that I'm going to use, the Reese's Pieces and the Reese's Cups, in the fridge because it's just easier to work with chocolate if it's cold as opposed to sitting out and like soft. So the first thing I'm gonna do to decorate is make my peanut butter buttercream icing and then assemble the cake and do a crumb coat on it and then put it back in the fridge so it stays nice and cold. So I'm gonna start by making the buttercream icing. So I'm basically using 1 full bag of icing sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, some butter, and then a cup of peanut butter. I'm just making like a normal buttercream recipe and then adding a cup of peanut butter. So you can kind of use whatever type of buttercream recipe you already know and love. Make sure you use the smooth peanut butter. You don't want to use any with like the chunks in it. It just won't smooth on your. Okay, I'm gonna use a cardboard cake round and my turntable, put this on top, and then some spatulas. This is an offset spatula and then a flat one. And then I'm going to assemble my cake. Okay, I have 1/3 cup of heavy cream in a microwave safe bowl and 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips. And I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna pour my chocolate chips in, cover them up, that, and then let it sit for 1 minute. I like to do, okay, so I just mix this really good. And then I like to do just like a little test drip on the side before I really go for it. Okay. And then if it looks good, I'm gonna pour this on top. Just going to pour this on top. And then use my spatula, push it to the edge, and then just let it drip. Okay, I want to make a pattern, so I'm gonna separate into little bowls the 3 different colors of Reese's Pieces. And then I'm also going to cut up some Reese's just in half. choose on the very top. Not entirely sure how many I'm gonna need, but I don't think I'll need a crazy amount. I'll cut up 2 packs for now. Okay, I have a piping bag with Wilton 1M, and I'm gonna fill that with some more frosting. And I'm gonna use this to make a border at the bottom and then also some stuff on the top. Just like that. This dollop, and then just pull down to the side. Dollop, pull down to the side. And then I'm just gonna do that all the way around the edge. Okay, so we are here. Now I'm going to use these Reese's Pieces and make a little pattern above the dollops. I'm gonna try and go like right here. Okay, I got the 1M tip still, and now I'm gonna just like squeeze and make a little dollop on top. I'm gonna go squeeze, 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 and then build up a bit. And then beside each dollop is going to go a little Reese's cup, like that. And then I'm gonna go dollop, build it up a bit. And another Reese's cup, right there. And then I'm just gonna keep going around. So it looks like that on top. Delicious. I mixed them back together so they're colorful. And I'm literally just gonna go for it and sprinkle them in the middle. And just make a big ol' pile of them in the chocolate. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope to be doing some more baking videos now that I'm kind of getting back into doing some baking. So thank you so much for watching. I would love if you would like and subscribe, and you can even leave a comment, whatever you like, and I will see you in the next video.